Have you ever imagined waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing new income flowing into your account without having to clock in or take on another client? That's the dream, right? Join me as I dive into some ethical passive income secrets and see if you can actually wake up to real cash flow by the end of this challenge. But I'm not just chasing dollars, I'm doing this with integrity, transparency, and long-term freedom in mind. If you're anything like me, the idea of passive income has always been incredibly appealing. The freedom, the flexibility, the ability to earn while you sleep. But let's be honest, passive income is one of the most misunderstood concepts in personal finance. It's not magic. It's not instant. And it's definitely not about shortcuts or shady schemes. A lot of people think passive income means you never have to work again. The truth? It often takes significant effort, upfront time planning, sometimes money, to set up a system that eventually works for you in the background. But once it's running, that system can bring you freedom without sacrificing your ethics or your peace of mind. That's why I'm focusing specifically on ethical passive income methods that don't exploit people, promote scams, or require sketchy tactics. Because true financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about doing it the right way. In a way that aligns with your values. So what makes a passive income stream ethical? It's built on value, transparency, and sustainability. You're either offering something helpful, investing in real-world assets, or creating something that continues to serve others long after the initial work is done. Let us break down a few powerful options, and I'll also share some personal insights and real success stories along the way. First up, dividend stocks. When you invest in companies that pay regular dividends, you become part of their profit sharing. It's one of the simplest and most reliable ways to build passive income, especially if you reinvest those dividends over time. You're supporting businesses you believe in, and they reward you in return. Then there's real estate crowdfunding. This is perfect if you want to get into real estate without buying an entire property. Platforms like Fundrise and Realtimol allow you to invest small amounts in rental or commercial properties. As rental income comes in, it's distributed among the investors. One of my friends started with just $500 and now receives quarterly payouts, enough to cover some of his monthly bills. Now let's talk about digital products. Passive income powerhouse. These could be ebooks, templates, online courses, stock photos, or printables. You create the product once, and it sells over and over again with minimal maintenance. I know someone who made a simple budgeting planner and started selling it on Etsy. It took her a weekend to design, but now it earns her a few $100s a month consistently. Another option gaining popularity is affiliate marketing. This works if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even a social media page. You recommend products or services you genuinely like and get a commission for each sale. The key here is to promote only what you believe in, and you'll build trust with your audience while earning income in the background. And don't overlook peer-to-peer lending platforms, where you can lend small amounts of money to others and earn interest over time. It's a way to support individuals or small businesses ethically, while building your own passive cash flow. Of course, not every method works for everyone. The trick is to find something that fits your lifestyle, goals, and skill set. Maybe you're creative and want to build a digital product. Or maybe you prefer something more hands-off, like investing in a REIT or dividend ETF. But no matter which path you take, remember, consistency and patience are your best friends. Passive income is a long game. You won't get rich overnight, but you can build something meaningful over months and years. Also, be cautious. The internet is full of passive income gurus promising instant success, but most of them are just selling hype. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your research, and never invest in something you don't fully understand. Let me share a quick story that inspired me. One woman I follow online started a YouTube channel reviewing budget-friendly gadgets. At first, she earned just a few dollars a month through affiliate links, but over time, her videos picked up traction. Now, she earns thousands monthly not just from ads and affiliate income, but also from digital products and sponsorships. All built ethically, authentically, and from scratch. Here's the bottom line. Ethical passive income is real, it's possible, and it's powerful. It's not about sitting back and doing nothing. It's about putting in smart, meaningful effort today, so you can experience more freedom tomorrow. Whether it's dividend stocks, crowdfunding, digital products, or affiliate marketing, there's a path for everyone. Just remember, focus on value, act with integrity, and stay consistent. That's the real secret. If you've been thinking about building passive income, let me know in the comments what's stopping you. Or what idea are you most excited to try? Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and check out my next video where I'll break down how to choose your first passive income stream based on your personality and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and here's to waking up to income with peace of mind.